This is the last call, as today is December 31st, 2021. So, as of January 1st, 2022, Binance no longer support Canadians living in Ontario. So, as you can see here, I have $270 left, and I'm going to sell it right now and take my money out before I lose everything. As you can see, I have 7 million of Shiba Union left. So I'm about to sell it right now and take my money out before I lose anything. Hopefully it doesn't happen if anyone forgets to sell, but as they said from back in June, if you don't get out by today, you lose everything you have there. So I'm about to sell this. It's a quick video and it's the last call. If you haven't sold yet, sell before the end of the day, before you lose anything you have in Binance. If you don't know how to sell, I have a video. I'll link it in the description, how to sell and take your money out. So I'm about to sell mine right now, and this is just a quick video to remind everybody who hasn't sold yet to sell and get out before you lose your money in Binance. If you live in Ontario, Canada, or you can get one of those ledgers and save your money on there, sell it to Bitcoin, save it on there and take it somewhere else, and you can transfer it there. So this is really quick video because it's not even up to 2 minutes yet. And as the time I'm doing this video is 1:18 a.m. on the 31st of December 2021. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I see you in the next one. Peace.